Think about some of those important tasks you may have been delaying during the cold weather months. Maybe it was tackling some cleaning or organizing, or maybe it was a bigger project like getting prepared for all the baths and showers that'll come your way after finally spending more time outdoors. Well, for help on that, we are turning to John Reynolds, who is the general manager from West Shore Home, to tell us more about their easy and convenient installation process and how it makes that possible to get a new white shower installed within a week. John, welcome. How you doing?
Thank you. I'm doing well, thank you.
Yeah, you must be excited for all the baths and showers to come.
And excited for summer, absolutely.
Yes, aren't we all? Well, okay, so, this might be a question folks have. After putting off a new shower all winter long, what are some signs it's finally time to make that upgrade?
So some of the signs that will tell you it's time to upgrade are easy to identify. Yeah. The most common are mold and mildew, the buildup of gunk and grime that never seems to go away no matter how often you clean it.
Yep.
Tile or fiberglass that is going to be cracked, chipped, or stained. And the most obvious one is probably a water leak, or it's simple. It's just old, outdated, and doesn't look very nice anymore.
Yeah, I'm sure. Let's say people are seeing the signs. They know it's time to upgrade, but they're like, my schedule's too busy. I can't fit you guys in.
Yeah.
How are you guys the solution there?
Well, we understand that people have busy schedules, right? So that's why when you call West Shore Home, your call will be answered immediately by a live agent, and we can be out to your home as little as 24 hours for a free in-home design consultation. Some people will wait 2 or 3 months for their shower, but with our classic white shower package, we can be out as early as next week to install it.
Really? So yeah, let's find out more about that classic shower package.
Sure.
How does that work?
The classic package is a standard shower base, which most of us have. It's a white base and smooth white acrylic walls. That acrylic is guaranteed not to crack, chip, fade, or stain, so that shower quickly becomes the centerpiece of the bathroom, which stays clean and looks clean all year round.
Yeah, I'm sure that shines,
Absolutely.
That's awesome. And so how does the installation process work for that shower package?
It's very simple. Everything we do is designed around the customer, and it's designed to be fast, easy, and convenient. So if you schedule today, again, we could install as early as next week. But what to expect during the initial visit is our design consultant will examine the space with you to get a better understanding of what you want to have done, what you need to have done. After that, we'll go ahead and design it, and we'll give you a price down to the penny and a quote that's good for 1 full year.
Really? And then kind of the installation. I know people might be kind of nervous about that because it's like, are you going to be in my house? What are you going to be doing? What does that kind of look like?
Sure, very easy. We send out our own West Shore Home employees who specialize in the project at hand. Our expertly trained technicians will remove the shower, install and clean up in less than 1 day, so no subcontractors to deal with.
Bam.
Easy.
Love it. Now, do you have any special sales going on right now at West Shore Home?
Sure, we always have a sale every month, but for those who are watching, if they call right now, we're going to give them an extra $500 off our current promotion.
Ooh, call now. Make it happen. We got the number on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. John Reynolds from West Shore Home, thank you so much for stopping by today.
Thank you.
And have a good summer,
I will.
All right, Delmarva Life. We'll be right back.